that he's constantly filling in that culvert and build up that easement. And uses to scare the shit out of my son. I'm not here for me. Yeah, you think it's funny, Mr. Little?
Mr. Walker, just address your comments to the court.
Sorry, Your Honor. This has been going on forever. And finally, he admits he's been telling us to stay off our own property and easement. Lied about it before. I may not be able to organize this stuff right, but it's here. Your Honor, I'm not asking for a dime. I am still paying on the other attorney. I have to pay for trips because my son doesn't want to play out our door. The hell that we go through every day. I'm a dad. And I try to be a good one. Instead of acting out, making threats and flipping people off and spinning my tires, throwing stones at people when we just get out of court. That's insane. I went to the police. I understand the situation.
Mr. Walker,
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
I'm hearing that you have a lot of frustration. I'm hearing that this has impacted your family immensely. What I'm trying to figure out here today is whether Mr. Little violated a specific provision of the settlement agreement.
Yes.
And I'm trying to direct your attention, your proofs to those items.
Yes, Your Honor.
But then you keep.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
You get kind of emotional and your thoughts start to raise. So I'm trying to refocus you back.
Yeah.
You started before you went off like that about Facebook and things that you thought were threats. Now you held some things up. I couldn't see them. I couldn't read them. So I don't know what you're talking about.
I apologize.
You referenced this thing about 007CH. This is Thomas Walker, the plaintiff, versus Robert Little. Mr. Walker is appearing here representing himself. Mr. Little is here. He's represented by your law office by Anna Fritzma. And so we're here for a motion order to show cause why Mr. Little should not be held in contempt of court. So, Mr. Walker, you are the moving party here. So just for a little bit of guidance, any alleged violations of the district court bond condition, that's not within my court.
Yes, Your Honor.
So the only thing that I can deal with is allegations that Mr. Little violated the stipulation order in the civil case, and that stipulation order was entered December 30th, 2024. No, that's the wrong order. That's the consolidating order. Okay, so there's the stipulation order. The order that resolved the case was May 5th, 2025.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so that's what we're here for today. Is any alleged allegations regarding that. So the court has read the motion for order to show cause, read the response filed by Mr. Little, and I've also read your response to the response. And as you present your case, you need to present it like I don't know anything about the case.
Yes, Your Honor.
I know that you all have been living this dispute for a period of time, but your motion wasn't very succinct.
I apologize, Your Honor.
So,
I also have a condition to where I have a brain skip. Sometimes you'll see me freeze out, or sometimes I'll repeat something, but it's okay. Okay.
yeah, so, as far as my note-taking goes, it would be most helpful, for the court if you, addressed your testimony and your evidence, kind of group it as to, this is the provision of the stipulation and order that was violated, and here's, when, how, why, and here's the proof to back that up. So that'll help me organize my thoughts, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. All right. So, Mr. Walker, would you raise your right hand, please? You solemnly swear, oath, or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And as long as the recorder can hear you okay from there, I won't have you take the witness stand, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
So, Your Honor, there's been a stipulation order and ruling, and I bring transcripts of the original hearing, where it shows that Mr. Little was actually told by you that who owned the property, that he agreed to go and, for example, I actually have a copy right here of the transcript and the stipulation order and the second transcript, if you would like, Your Honor.
All right, so are you asking the court to admit those two transcripts as evidence in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so why don't you have, is it one document or is it two separate documents?
The first one is the, it was the motion and stipulation order hearing. That's a transcript of that. Then is the actual stipulation order itself that's signed by you.
Okay, do you want that to be one exhibit or two?
All one exhibit, because
Okay.
there's also a third.
Okay, so why don't we have the transcript and the stipulated order marked as plaintiff's proposed exhibit number 1.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So then you need to have the court reporter have those so she can mark the transcript and the stipulated order as one.
Okay.
Okay, do you have that for her?
Yes, sir. Right
Okay,
here.
aren't you approach her?
And you can't talk while I'm doing this. I can't.
Okay, so the court has received what's been marked as plaintiff's proposed exhibit number 1. And Ms. Fritzma, it includes a transcript from December 30th, 2024. Do you have a copy of that?
Don't really have a full copy of it.
It was included in
Oh,
Mr.
yes.
Walker's filing.
Yes, I do have it, yeah.
Okay. It's also certified by Wiles. The other part of that is the stipulation and order that was entered when Mr. Miller represented Mr. Walker and Ms. Smulders represented Mr. Little. And that's dated May 5th, 2025. You have a copy of that?
I do.
All right. Then the other thing that's included in this folder is looks like this is a record of transcript in the criminal case from November 10th, 2025. It's a transcript of final status conference in Mr. Little's criminal case. Do you have that?
I do have that, Your Honor.
All right. Then the other part of this is some pictures of the courtroom from the criminal case. And on page 5 of that looks to be included thing. The only thing I've done is a state that Mr. Walker put up. So I guess that was part of the final conference of the, I don't know, put it there, but apparently is part of what would be included in the transcript from the final conference. Is that right, Mr. Walker?
Yes, Your Honor, that's in there because